Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Today, we're unveiling something truly extraordinary: custom protein sachets. Get ready to fuel your fitness journey with these game-changing sachets. Crafted with precision and packed with goodness. These sachets are your ultimate partner in reaching your fitness goals. Whether you're hitting the gym, powering through a busy day, or simply need a nutritious boost. These sachets deliver the protein punch you need, anytime, anywhere. So, if you're ready to take your fitness game to the next level and provide your customers with top-notch nutrition, look no further than custom protein sachets. And remember, the possibilities for customization are endless. So why wait? Reach out to us now to start designing your own branded sachets and empower your customers to live their best, healthiest lives.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.